What if you could turn your ideas into stunning visuals with just a few lines of text? Welcome to our complete Midjourney course, where you'll learn how to create impressive AI-generated images from beginner to advanced level. We'll start with the basics and show you how to navigate Midjourney, understand important settings and parameters, and write effective prompts. We'll also explore different Midjourney versions, image prompts, references, style references, editing tools, and advanced prompting techniques. But this course is not just about creating images. You'll also learn how to fix common problems, improve unwanted results, create patterns, add motion and animation, and take your images into post-production. Most importantly, we'll focus on understanding why things work instead of simply copying prompts. Whether you're a designer, content creator, marketer, freelancer, student, or simply curious about AI, this course will help you build a strong foundation and create with more confidence. And if you'd like to learn Midjourney step by step, this complete course is now available on Udemy. You'll find the course link in the description below. We're also offering a limited time discount for our YouTube viewers, so make sure to check the link and grab the course at the special discounted price. So, if you're ready to turn your ideas into visuals and explore what Midjourney can do, join us and start creating. Let's begin your journey with Midjourney.